Hello to all the precious people all over the world. Welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kiss. Today's video is an overall grooming and cleaning of our precious four babies, as well as we are changing their color because it's so dirty. There's a big possibility that it will be full of mites and ticks. So that's why they're wiping off their dust. They don't need to take a bath. As soon as they get dirty, we can wipe them from the dust so that they will feel refreshed as well because it's been so hot. We also clean their ears. We are even lacking with regards to brushing. I'm saving money for them to eat those kind of gel so that their throat will be clean. Next is brushing their fur. They really needed this, but I am always guilty of this because I seldom find the time having them a regular brush. It's really one of their necessities, by basic necessities. Brushing, toys. Next is we change their new collar. Clean, newly made, DIY of Mama Kiss. Hi! Hi, say hi. Say hi to the viewers. Hi! I'm Fiang Fiang. I'm a beautiful girl. I'm a beautiful ginger girl. Our Calico is so pregnant. See the tummy? Very big tummy with bulging nipples. You have to change first her collar, which is so worn out and dirty. And then next, you have to wipe the dust off so that then will be fresh and will be more beautiful. Then next is the ear cleaning. So your fur on your ear is very long. Then very dirty din.
Dirty.
Ish. We're out of cotton. The other side. Next is brushing after cleaning the ears, wiping the whole body. We cannot let you see the whole process. It will take a lot of minutes on our videos. It's brushing only. You don't want your stomach to be touched. Huh? It's about to burst. Huh? Then your stomach is about to burst. Then. Last part is, what do you want then? Just have the white one then. You face the camera. Face the camera. Face the camera. And then hi, I'm Ding. And this is Doe, another beautiful calico. I have to change her, no? See how worn out it is. Their color should be changed at least every 2 weeks. Why? So that you will be more beautiful. When you see her mouth, seems like smiling, like a human being, as well as her eyes. That's one of her peculiar qualities. My Dodo has a human eye and a human mouth. Dodo, do not keep on murmuring. We're just cleaning. How will a beautiful girl be beautiful without cleaning? How is that? That is not possible. You know that? That's not possible. We began this since morning, and we got tired because we have other things to do, and it's been already night. We cannot cut their nails. I'll cut it tomorrow without a video. What? And then the ear cleaning time. What? Have something to complain? You go to the barangay. You have not so much dirty air. Di kayo grabis gain, oy. Hi. Dodo. Limpiado, giday ka do. Kayo. Next is brushing time. She is in heat, and what she's expecting is that I will massage this part of her. It's not massage time. It's cleaning time later. Mama Kiss will massage you. Now, we will put the new color. Do not keep on moving. Face the camera so the people may know that you are the beautiful precious cats of Mama Kiss.
Dodo. Dodo.
You focus on the smiling mouth, Papa Roland.
Dodo. Ooh, hi. Dodo.
Do not keep on moving. I'm not finished yet. And this ends our video. Having Do as the third for baby, cleaned and groomed by Mama Kiss. It was Eve, Pound, and Do. Is that so? I don't know. I did not remember anymore. You say thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kiss, adding up to our 1,053 subscribers as of April 10, 2053. As of April 10, 2025. It's been 2,053 for how many days already? I don't understand why. In God's will, we will still be able to reach 3,000 to 10,000.
Yes. Yes.
You still have boogers? Dodo? What's that? Your eyes are not properly clean. The other one. Okay. Bye-bye.